So do you also use FlexiFunnels to sell your products online? Then this video is definitely for you. So hello all, welcome back to Pabbly Connect, and in this video we are going to understand how to create Pipedrive Person on FlexiFunnels purchase. So over here I'm running a Edutech company and we sell our courses online with the help of FlexiFunnels. So now what I want is that as soon as someone purchases our course with the help of FlexiFunnels, automatically a person should be created in my Pipedrive account with the same customer details. So to do this, we are simply going to create a connection between FlexiFunnels and Pipedrive. To create this connection without knowing any programming or coding language, we are going to use Pabbly Connect. It is an amazing automation software. So do you also want to create this automation for your business? Then for that you have to come with me towards my screen.
Welcome to my screen. So in this video, I'll guide you through automating the process of adding a new person to Pipedrive whenever a new purchase is made on FlexiFunnels. This integration ensures that every customer is instantly recorded into your CRM, making follow-ups and sales tracking seamless. So let's get started with a really simple example. Let's say that my name is test user and I'm just going to purchase this PHP programming course. Alright, so as you can see that I've entered all of my details and now I'm just going to click on this complete order to purchase this course. And as soon as we are going to click on this complete order, you can see thank you for your purchase, your order was successful. So yes, with this we have successfully purchased this course as test user, and now I'm just going to open my Pipedrive account, and yes, over here you can see a new contact has been created. You can see the same name, the same email and the same phone number which we entered. So yes, you can see that in real time, that too without any manual efforts, in seconds the contact got created in my Pipedrive account. So this is the automation we are going to create in today's video, and if you also want to create this automation for your business, then for that you have to watch this video till the end. So to do this, I've simply opened the landing page of Pabbly by searching pabbly.com/connect in my browser. It is very easy, and as soon as we're going to open the landing page of Pabbly, we are going to get two options. One is sign in and the other one is sign up for free. So if you are a new user, you can click on this sign up for free and you are going to get 100 of stars free every month to explore the application. But over here I'm an existing user, so I'm just going to click on this sign in, and now it is opening all Pabbly apps. Over here you can see all the tools and applications offered by Pabbly, but in today's video we are going to use Pabbly Connect because we are connecting different applications. So I'm just going to click on this access now right over here to access my Pabbly Connect account, and as soon as we're going to click on this access now, it is opening my dashboard. And to start with this automation, we are going to click on this button which says create workflow, and now it is asking me for the workflow name and the folder I want to save the workflow in. So over here I want to save the workflow in this folder which is automations, and I want to name my workflow as this, which says how to create Pipedrive Person on FlexiFunnels purchase, FlexiFunnels to Pipedrive, and then we just have to click on this create. And as soon as we're going to click on this create, it is opening the most important window of our automation, which is our workflow window. So this is the most important window because we have trigger and action in this. So trigger and actions are the two main principles on which our workflow will run. Alright, trigger means when this happens and action means do this. So by this you can understand that the actions are response towards the commands given by our trigger, and that's the reason that we can have only a single trigger but multiple actions following the commands of our trigger in a particular workflow. And in order to start with our automation, we have to select our trigger application. So for my trigger application, I'm just going to select it as FlexiFunnels. So I'm just going to search for FlexiFunnels right over here, and as you can see the same, so we're going to select it. And now it is asking me for the trigger event. So basically trigger event is the event on which the workflow will start. So over here what I want is that as soon as a new purchase is made, my workflow should be triggered or started. And as soon as we're going to select the trigger event, it is giving me a webhook URL. So we are going to use the same webhook URL in order to create a connection between our FlexiFunnels account and our Pabbly Connect's workflow. So what we have to do is, first I'm just going to copy this webhook URL, and then we have to follow this help text, and it is saying log into your FlexiFunnels account, click on the product or create a product, whether it's a membership or a digital. Go to set rules, click on the set product rules, at the drop down select use, provide the webhook name, copy the webhook URL and paste it. Alright, we have to follow the same. I'm just going to copy this webhook URL and log in into my FlexiFunnels account. And as you can see that this is my FlexiFunnels account and I've already created 5 products over here. So if you also want to create a new product, you have to go towards this create new product, select digital on membership and create your own. But over here I want to create this automation for this product, which is PHP programming. So I'm just going to go towards the edit of this product, and now from the left side of the bar we have to go towards the set rules option, and now we have to add product set rules. So I'm just going to go towards this, and now it is asking me when. So for when I have to select it as product is purchased for all pricing options, and for use we have to select it as webhook. And now it is asking me for the webhook name. So for the webhook name I'm just going to keep it as new contact. So I'm just going to enter new contact right over here, and after entering this webhook name we just have to paste the webhook URL over here in the webhook URL field, and then we just have to click on this save. And as soon as we're going to click on the save, yes, you can see successfully added. So with this we have successfully created a connection between our FlexiFunnels account and our Pabbly Connect's workflow. But now it is saying waiting for a webhook response, and in the notes it is saying do a test submission / record. So in order to capture this webhook response we have to do a test submission or record. So what we have to do is I'm just going to open this page and we're going to do another purchase with the new details in order to capture the response for the same. Alright, so let's say that for the first name I'm just going to keep it as dummy this time, last name as user. For the email I'm going to keep it as dummy22@pabblytunes.com, and let's say that for the phone number I'm just going to keep it as this. We are going to move on forward. You can see the address over here. I'm just going to enter the card details, alright, and click on this complete order. So after entering all of these details I'm just going to click on this complete order. We are going to wait for a few seconds till our payment is getting confirmed, and yes, you can see that we have successfully completed this order. And now what has happened is that FlexiFunnels has sent the details of our test submission to our workflow, and yes, over here you can see that Pabbly has captured the response. Alright, you can see all the details which we entered. You can see the same first name, the same last name, the same email, and also you can notice the same phone number which we entered. Also you can see the same address which we entered. So yes, with this we have successfully completed our trigger step. And now what will happen is that as soon as a new purchase is made in my FlexiFunnels account, automatically this workflow is going to get triggered and Pabbly is going to capture the response for the same. Alright, we are going to move on forward towards my action step. What I want is I want to create a Pipedrive Person on FlexiFunnels purchase. So for my action application I'm just going to select it as Pipedrive. So I'm just going to search for Pipedrive and then we just have to select it. And now for the action event we have to select it as create a person and click on this connect. And now it is asking me to add a new connection or select an existing connection. So if you have already connected your Pipedrive account with your Pabbly Connect's workflow, you can click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, you have to follow me. Click on add a new connection, and now it is asking me for the API token. It is saying enter your API token here, and to get the API token log into your Pipedrive account. Click on the profile icon at the top right corner, then proceed to personal preferences and then API. Okay, we are going to follow the same. I'm just going to open my Pipedrive account, and now over here at the top right corner you can see the profile. So I'm just going to go towards this personal preferences and then API, and over here you can see your personal API token. So I'm just going to copy this API token and then we have to paste it right over here in our workflow, and then we just have to click on this save. And yes, you can see that with this we have successfully connected our Pipedrive account with our Pabbly Connect's workflow. And now it is asking for the name, email and many other details. Alright, so I'm just going to enter my customer details right over here one by one, but we are not going to enter the details manually or by copy pasting it, but instead we are going to map it. So you must be wondering what is mapping. So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step. And as you know, our previous step was the trigger step where we selected FlexiFunnels as our trigger application. So we are just going to map the details from the response of our trigger application only. And as soon as we're going to map these details, automatically my details will turn dynamic and change with every new response received. So that's why we do mapping mapping right over here to run our workflow in real time. All right, so I'm just going to explain you mapping with a really simple example. It is asking me for the name, so let's say that I'm just going to enter the name right over here manually by typing it like this. Then this will not change with every new response received. We have to map this name. I'm just going to look for a name in the previous response, and as you can see, first name, last name. So I'm just going to map the first name, put a space, and then the last name. Then this will definitely change because now this field has turned a dynamic one. Now it is asking me for the label. So as you can see that you can select any of the label you want. I don't wish to select it. I'm just going to leave it as blank. I'm just going to enter the phone number. As you can see the phone number, I'm just going to map it. Same we are going to do with the email. I'm just going to map it. And after mapping all of these required details, we are going to move on forward. If you wish, you can definitely fill out these details too. I don't wish to fill out, and also these are not the required details. So I'm just directly going to click on this button which says save and send test request. And as soon as we're going to do so, yes, you can see that we have successfully received a positive response, that we have successfully created a new person in our Pipedrive account with these same details. So I'm just going to open my Pipedrive account. We're going to go towards the left side of the bar towards the contacts, and yes, over here you can see a new contact has been created. You can see the same name, the same email, and the same phone number which we entered. So yes, with this we have successfully completed our workflow. And now what will happen is that as soon as a new purchase is made in my FlexiFunnels, automatically with the help of the same customer details, a new person would be created in my Pipedrive account too. We don't have to come back and again to our workflow to click on save and send test request. This workflow is going to run in backend, and we can just sit back and relax. So yes, this was it for the video, and if you have any questions related to the video or the workflow, you can directly comment on this video. And for your reference, I'll just clone this workflow and share the workflow link in the description box so that you can access my workflow. I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you for watching.
So not only these applications, but with the help of Pabbly Connect, you can integrate many more applications. So if you have any doubts, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this website. And if you find our videos helpful, do like and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.